Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have got a beautiful car. This is a 2024 Mercedes AMG GT55. This car has only 5,300 miles. Beautiful car, one owner, clean Carfax. Bought right here locally in Houston. Got this from a client here locally. 2 keys, all the books, front plate, frame, charger, the screen for the back hatch, all the books. It comes with everything that you get when you buy it new. It's all here. I've got service records. Of course, it's 5,000 miles, not many records, but it has been serviced, and I do have those records. This car is gorgeous, black on black. It's got the AMG night package. It's got the AMG performance steering wheel, Burmester sound system. Very cool car. The 21-inch forged wheels. Those look really, really nice. No scuffs. Love the interiors on these Mercedes, especially at nighttime. They really light up well. A lot of cool mood lighting in here. And take a quick look. There's your mileage. Of course, navigation and everything right there. It's got a spoiler. You hit a little button, that spoiler pops up. You've got a button here for the exhaust. You hit that, it makes it a little louder. A lot of sport modes on this car. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly. We can ship this car to you, enclosed trailer, no problem. If you're financing and you have your own bank, that's great. If you're paying cash, that's great. If you need some financing, reach out to us. We can help you out with that too. Thanks for watching this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It helps. Give me a like, make a comment if you like. I try to get all the comments responded to if you have a question. And I do post my mobile number, so feel free to call or text me anytime. Absolutely gorgeous car. 2024 AMG GT55, 5,300 miles. One owner, clean Carfax, clean Texas title, ready for a new owner. Thanks for watching.